Hey everyone, welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here. We're finishing up Miss Pauline's jelly roll race that she did, and I absolutely love it. I love the way they designed this with the squares around the outside. I love it, love it. You can see a nice big picture of it at the end as I come to show it. So we did shoot some footage where it was kind of like the most of the color part. It had some like yellow and then color and then yellow. I really liked it. So take a look at that footage and then check me back and we'll finish it off, okay?
Morning light through the window pane. Coffee's warm and the world's the same. The hum of the needle starts to play like a song that carries the day. Threads of color, dreams in line, patch by patch she makes them shine. Every stitch a promise kept, a dream she hasn't missed yet. She's humming in the quilt shop, heart wide open. Every note a prayer unspoken, turning scraps to something gold. Piece by piece her story's told. Oh, she's living in the music stream, sewing her heart into her dream. Whisper, take your time. She answers back, this dream is mine. Hands remember, eyes can see the woman she was born to be. Through the hum and gentle tune, she's building stars beneath the moon. She's humming in the quilt shop, heart wide open. Every note a prayer unspoken, turning scraps to something gold. Piece by piece her story's told. Oh, she's living in the music stream, sewing her heart into her dream. There were days she thought she'd lost the thread, but she picked it up and stitched ahead. Now the fabric sings though she's found her place, and heaven knows she's humming in a quilt shop, faith unbroken, every line a dream awoken, turning moments into art, stitching love from heart to heart. Oh, the hum of the needle gleams, she's sewing her soul into.
Thank you for taking the time to watch that. We're just going to finish up the final stitches here. We do have a lovely yellow thread. I'll get to the ribbon. Some of the bobbin. We did have a few choices. We have blue, a purple coral, and like a mauvey green sort of. But she definitely liked the yellow, and I did too. She's got a plain blue backing. I mean by plain, it's just that there's no pattern on it specifically per se. So when you see the stitches from the back side of the quilt, it's almost like two quilts in one, right? Because you're getting that beautiful, like, almost stitch out on the back. I'm just trying to get these done before we head back to Ontario, because Canada Post is on strike, so if I could take these with me, fantastic. I love the combination of batiks as well as cottons. I'm a big believer. It's fabric. Use it. Corduroy, jeans, you name it. It's for the right project. Use it. Recycle is one of my favorite things to do. You can put a whole quilt together by like 6 or 7 dress shirts from men from the thrift store. So. Then I'll show you the big reveal. I love the color layout for it. Thank you, Colleen. Believing in me at the moment of stop there. Let me just unclamp the other end and release. There. Isn't that beautiful? There, that's better. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and hopefully subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.